I have created another journal. This is going to be our travel journal for our adventures this year. So this one I made with Amazon packaging, and it's cloth covered. It's 2 signatures. I did a 3 pamphlet full stitch, and it's crinkly. And on the front cover, I did a flippy flappy journal cover topper. So we have a pocket with a tag. Everything's blank on the back, and it flips open. And then there's a little pocket here that's got some tags and journaling cards in it. And then this side is a slanted pocket with a couple of tags. And that flips open. And there's a pocket over here with additional tags. And then we have a pocket here. Has some tags and journaling cards. And another section up here, a double stacked pocket. And it just folds and closes up like that. And then on the inside cover, I made this little flip-up pocket thingy. You can write on the whole inside in here. And then some journal cards. I did not find much for RV traveling, for graphics out there on the internet. I thought this little map was cute. But we plan on using this to write in on our travels this year. And we'll see what happens, because those travels are going to be starting soon. And then this page, I did use the travel junk journal kit from TLC Creates on Facebook, and she's got a coffee site. And I made this little notepad. I thought I would write down what we eat, what we eat on our travels on this little notepad here. And it's in a belly band, a slide belly band, so it can be taken out. And we have another graphic here. Quite a few pages that are going to be used for journaling, making notes as we travel along. And this is one of those fabric clusters that I buy from that lady on Etsy, Cat's Journal Supplies. And more pages. And I wish there was a different way I could have used these state maps. This one's for Indiana, because you can't see the whole map. Couldn't figure another way to place them so they could see the whole thing because of the signatures. This is some coffee dyed paper. It's nice and crinkly, that I bought from a lady on Etsy. And I made this little double-sided tab. And I made this little charm, an angel charm with a couple of beads. And some more journaling pages, and then I just ripped a piece of cardstock and made a side tuck. And we've got some journaling cards here. Map of the world. And then we got an envelope with just a piece of printed paper in it to write notes on and tuck away. And a little wine glass at the bottom, because there'll be a few of those that will be drunk along the way. Alright, then we have a Minnesota state map. An old vintage school line paper. This is an old meter record. I can't remember how old this is. Oh, 1933. I figured we'd just maybe use this page to write, use the this page to write the temperatures on the days that we're traveling, just to keep a record. Some coffee dyed paper. More scenic pages from the travel kit that I purchased. This is the other side of the Colorado state map. Little stickers here and there. Other side of Colorado, the Utah scene. More coffee dyed paper. The other side of that meter page. Illinois state map. This is an old piece of accounting paper. The other side of the Indiana state map. And we have a pocket here. It's got a little mini notepad in it. Some tags to write on. Side of the state map. United States. Then we got a tuck spot that's got a couple of tags in it. More coffee dyed papers. Vacation postcard. Some journaling cards. Then I put this little, I think they're called penny wheels or pinwheels. I bought a bunch of these on a trip last year out in the Midwest. So I thought it would be really cute on here. A little paper clipboard so we can write on. I clipped the edges of the cardstock, decorative cutter. Left a hole inside, blanks we could write in. Then there's a couple of large tags in the pocket. Then I found this cute graphic with route numbers and left it open. So I figured whenever we go somewhere on our trip and we get mementos, I'm just going to tuck it in there. More note pages. I'm hoping this is not too dark. It's been so cloudy and rainy for weeks. The lighting's not that great. The other side of the Wisconsin State page. And we have another ripped side tuck with some cards. Actually a card in an envelope. And this one's just got a piece of that vintage lined school paper. Coffee stained paper. Everybody's supposed to sign their junk journals that they create. So I'm going to put my little tag in there. The other side of the Michigan State page. Another ripped pocket. A couple of tags. I think this is the other side of Ohio. Let me get another pocket with a tag. A little flip out to write on. I made this little page edging. It's got a little tuck spot on it. That's a picture of a fire truck, cartoonized, that I thought was kind of cute and threw in here. New England, some graph, old accounting graph paper, Route 66. Hopefully we'll get to do a little bit more Route 66 this year. Another one of those fabric clusters from Kat's Journal Supplies. She does such beautiful work. Lighthouse. Hopefully we're going to see some lighthouses this year. And then we got this really pretty graphic. And a couple of cards. Really thick stickers. Those are tucked all over the place. Flip out page. Lots of journaling space. Another one of those thick stickers. Here's the other side of Ohio. And I made this. It's kind of cool. Saw a YouTube video. A lady took a cutlery bag. You get these little brown paper bags with when you go to a restaurant that have the silverware in it. So I kept it. And I made a hidden paper clip and decorated front and back and put a charm on it. And then put tags in each pocket. And sewed the tags. And then another tag. And it just slides up on the page like this and stays in place. And then the charm dangles at the bottom. I really like that idea. It's cute. I'll be saving more of those little bags. Other side of Michigan. And I made this other little tab with a little birdie charm on it and some beads. More coffee dyed paper. And then this page I took torn papers and I made a double pocket here and then a top tuck pocket there. Handmade with love. Other side of Wisconsin. Another one of those really thick stickers. Chipboard stickers. More journaling pages. And then I made a writing board. It's pretty thick. It goes in the back of your page so that it gives you a hard surface to write on. It's in a journal, and it's the state of Vermont in New Hampshire. I thought that was appropriate. And then the back page, we have another one of those pockets with some cards. And that's the back page. So, in the middle of the first signature, we have a couple of charms. One is a fan, and the other is an airplane. Couldn't find a little camper, because I thought that would have been really cute. And then in the middle of this other signature, I lost a charm. Guess I gotta fix that. We have a hot air balloon and an old clock. So I'll get that fixed. But that is our travel journal for this year. Can't wait to start. It's going to be fun and exciting, I hope, as last year was. And this time we'll take a lot more notes and pictures. So there we have it. Another new journal. And I've got 3 more journals in the making. I want to make 3 different styles of dragon journals. So I'm hoping they're going to come out really nice and look great, because I've never attempted to do those before. But anyways, thank you for watching. Have a great day, everyone.